Dr. Seal? Dr. Seal? Can everyone start to line up in their lines?
She still wants it.
Today, we have the privilege of honoring the commitment, excellence, and limitless potential of an amazing group of graduates. Welcome to the Stanford School of Medicine graduation ceremony.
On this day of celebration, we take time to pause with our hearts in a posture of gratitude for the accomplishment of these graduates. We collectively breathe life-giving force and say thank you. We are grateful for the challenges and triumphs that each has faced as they journey towards this moment.
Every year, graduation stands as one of the most joyous moments on our campus. Today marks a celebration of your hard work to reach this milestone and a testament to the potential we see in you as you embark on your next chapter.
Today is a beautiful celebration of achievement in medicine, but it is also a recognition of the heavy lifting it took to earn the letters behind our names. We are embarking on careers in which we will impact humanity. At its core, healthcare is human. If we allow our humanity to collide with medicine, I am confident the momentum will carry us far above the ground.
We all entered this place with our own why. I came here because I wanted to serve others and make a tangible difference for those who need it most.
We face the vast unknown. It's very easy to be intimidated by this. I certainly am. But as I reflect on the resilience and the humility that I have seen in my peers, I know that we are prepared for the path ahead.
What I do know is that we are ready to enter this role thanks to the members of our communities that have poured their time, attention, and care to support us. To our patients, our most important teachers, thank you for allowing us to participate in your care. Thank you for shaping us during our many firsts as we figured out so much. To our family, friends, and loved ones, thank you for being so understanding, supportive, and loving through both the trials and celebrations we've encountered. To the class of 2024, thank you for sharing your intelligence, ideas, insights, passion, friendship, love, and hope. It is such an honor to be able to enter our profession with each and every one of you.
To the graduates, I hope you can feel our joy, our pride in this moment, this ritual. In progressing in your chosen field, the journey is external with milestones such as the one today, this wonderful moment. But it's also an inward journey to find your own truth. That wisdom lies inside you. To tap into it requires you to be attentive to you. You have to be quiet, you have to be still, you have to be ready. Your outward journey has just reached a beautiful moment today, but your silent inner journey has no celebrations, and yet it's equally precious. Honor the wisdom, the universe of knowledge that lies untouched within you. Get unbusy long enough to honor yourselves every day. Graduates, your muse awaits you.
Wherever your life plants you, bloom with grace. Arrive as unshakable optimists. See the world not for what it is today, but for what it can become. Create the best out of any situation and be the light that leads others. Family, friends, loved ones, faculty, thank you and congratulations to the incredible class of 2024.